Want to make your PowerPoint slides pop and deliver a message that truly sticks? It's all about mastering the art of layering text over images, and I'm going to show you exactly how in just a few simple steps. First, insert the picture you want to use as your background. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and choose this device to select your image. Once it's in place, resize it to fill the slide. Make sure it covers the entire area for a seamless look. Next, it's time for the text. Go back to the Insert tab and click Text Box. Click and drag to create a text box on your slide, positioning it where you want your text to appear. Then, simply type in your desired message. For this example, let's type "Dream Big." Now for the magic touch, formatting. Select your text and head over to the Home tab. Here, you can change the font, size, color, and alignment. Experiment with different styles to find what complements your image best. A bold font in white often works well for readability. Consider adding a text shadow or outline, too, to separate the text from the background. Finally, if your image is a bit busy, you can create a subtle background for your text. Go to Insert, Shapes, and choose a rectangle. Draw the rectangle behind your text. Then, right-click the rectangle, select Format Shape, and adjust the transparency. Underfill. This will help your text stand out without completely covering the image. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can transform your PowerPoint slides from ordinary to extraordinary. Get creative, experiment with different images and text styles, and watch your presentations come to life. Don't forget to subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks.